Hi guys, this is Jaberi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going on a journey to Dhanushkodi, India's hauntingly beautiful ghost town located at the very tip of Tamil Nadu. Today we are going to explore its unique locations, delve into its dramatic past, highlights the newly established lighthouse, and immerse ourselves in the breathtaking views and the significant landmark that surrounds this mystical place. This is situated on the Pamban Island, specifically at its southeastern tip in the state of Tamil Nadu in India. This strategic location means it's southeast of Pamban and remarkably close to Sri Lanka, just about 24 kilometers west of Talaimannar. Dhanushkodi marks a unique geographical point where the Bay of Bengal meets the Indian Ocean, a truly spectacular sight. The park strait, acting as a natural border, separates it from Sri Lanka, and on a clear day, you might even catch a glimpse of the Sri Lankan coast. Here, there's an entry ticket of 10 rupees per person. So, there's a lift service as well provided to reach the top of the lighthouse. And this lighthouse stands majestically at an elevation of 53 meters above the sea level. It features a 3 meters diameter lantern at the top of its tower, equipped with 250 mm revolving optic and LED as its main illuminator, emitting a character of 3 group flashes every 20 seconds, with a range of light of 15 nautical miles. It's highly beneficial for the safe passage for fisherfolk on both the Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar's waters. For visitors, the lighthouse offers a truly unique experience. It includes a visitor gallery specially constructed at 42 meters, providing a 360-degree panoramic view of the surrounding island. This gallery is accessible via lift facility, making it convenient for the people of all ages. Additionally, a binocular and telescope facilities are available to enhance the viewing experience. Users have particularly praised the stunning views from the top and availability of the lift. And the place is also maintained very clean, guys. And the views from this lighthouse are nothing short of breathtaking. You can witness the spectacular meeting point of Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean, a sight that both are serene and powerful. The lighthouse is strategically flanked by the Park Strait on one side and Gulf of Mannar on the other, allowing for the diverse perspective of these crucial waterways. And from these surroundings and the landmarks, you can witness the Park Strait and Sri Lankan coast, Gulf of Mannar biosphere, and Ramasetu as well, which is also known as Adams Bridge. And from here, you can witness the Kothandaramaswamy Temple as well, and the surrounding ghost town remains as well. You can witness from here. This beautiful town, Dhanushkodi, fates drastically changed in December 1964 on the night of December 22 and 23rd. In 1964, a devastating cyclonic storm made landfall, wiping out the entire town with estimated wind velocities of 280 kilometers per hour and tidal waves reaching up to 7 meters high. The town was submerged and totally devastated. The Pamban Dhanushkodi passenger train carrying 115 passengers and railway staff was swept away, killing everyone on board. In total, an estimated of 1,800 people died in the cyclonic storm, with over 800 deaths in Dhanushkodi alone. All prominent buildings, including the harbour, fisheries jetty, railway stations, post office, custom offices, hospitals, temples, schools, everything were destroyed. In the aftermath, the government of Madras declared Dhanushkodi as a ghost town, unfit for living. Today, the ruins of a railway station stands as a reminder of its past. Despite being largely uninhabited, Dhanushkodi remains a significant tourist attraction due to its historical and mythological relevance. It's located near the Adams Bridge, also known as Ramasetu, a chain of limestones believed in Hindu mythology to be bridge Lord Rama built to reach Lanka. And adding a new dimension to this Dhanushkodi landscape and serving as a beacon of hope, its tourism potential is the new Dhanushkodi Lighthouse. While Historical records mention an older lighthouse was built here in 1848 that was operational and tourist attractions. The new lighthouse has been successfully established to meet the long standing demands of local fishermen and enhance its scenic experience for tourists. Union Minister of State for Shipping Mansukh Mandviya laid the foundation stone for this 7 crore project in February 2020, emphasizing its potential to its boost tourism and generate employment. This lighthouse is the third in the Ramanathapuram district alongside those in Pamban and Rameswaram. And the panoramic views from the top not only offers a stunning photographic opportunities, especially during the sunrise and sunset, but also connect visitors to the rich natural and cultural heritage of this extraordinary location. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Dhanushkodi. We hope this narration has given you a comprehensive understanding of this unique ghost town, its vibrant past, its recent developments, and the crucial landmarks that make it truly must visit destination. This is your Berry signing off. Catch up in the next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Ray Park Jew, he's got that vibe. Puffin' clouds, yeah, he's staying high. With a bounce in his step, he's flying by. He's the king of chill and he owns the sky. He's rolling smooth through the city streets, bassline booming under his feet. Bicky in hand, it's his one true love. This dude's got style sent from above. Ray Park Jew, bounce, jump and spin, lighting up the air when he walks in. Bicky in his heart and weed in the flow, with John Pork riding, let the good vibes grow. The crew rolls through like a hurricane, John Pork cracking jokes, driving them insane.